You've been thinking about starting an online store but don't want to spend a lot of money up front? Shopify currently has one of the best offers available for new users. With Shopify's free trial promotion, you can start for free and then pay just $1 per month for your first 3 months after the trial period. This gives you plenty of time to build your store, add products, customize your website, and start making sales before paying Shopify's regular subscription price. In this Shopify free trial tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to claim the offer, create your Shopify account, set up your store, and start building your e-commerce business step by step. Let's get started. To get started, click the Shopify free trial link in the description below. The link will take you directly to Shopify's promotional page where new users can start for free and then enjoy Shopify for just $1 per month for the first 3 months on eligible plans. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I merit a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to sign up. Once you're on the Shopify website, click the arrow icon after entering your email address to start your free trial. Shopify will ask you a few quick questions about your business. You can answer the questions or click the option to skip them if you'd like to get into your dashboard faster. After that, enter your email address, create a password, and choose the store name. Then click the button to create your Shopify account. Within a few moments, Shopify will generate your new online store. You'll now arrive inside the Shopify dashboard. This is the control center for your e-commerce business. From here, you'll manage products, orders, customers, marketing campaigns, analytics, and your website design. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Some of the most important sections include home, orders, products, customers, content, markets, discounts, analytics, online store, settings. Don't worry if everything looks overwhelming right now. We'll focus on the key areas you'll need to launch your store. The first thing you'll want to do is add a product to sell. Click Products in the left side menu. Then click Add Product. You'll now be able to enter important information about your item. Start by adding a product title. Next, write a detailed product description explaining the features and benefits of the item. Below that, upload product images. High-quality images are extremely important because they can significantly impact conversion rates. Continue scrolling down and entering your pricing information. If you're selling physical products, you'll also be able to configure inventory levels, shipping details, and product variants such as sizes or colors. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your product is now ready to be displayed in your store. Now let's make your store look professional. Click Online Store and then select Themes. Shopify will provide free and premium themes that allow you to customize the appearance of your website without needing coding knowledge. You'll see your current theme displayed at the top. Click Edit Theme. Using the editor, you can modify your homepage layout, colors, fonts, images, banners, product pages, navigation menus, store branding. You can click any section on the page and customize it using the Settings panel. This makes it easy to create a unique online store that matches your brand. As you make changes, Shopify automatically shows a live preview. When you're happy with the design, click Save. Before you start accepting orders, you want to configure your payment settings. Go to Settings and then click Payments. Shopify supports multiple payment options depending on your country. Many users choose Shopify Payments because it allows them to accept major credit cards directly through their store. You could also connect additional payment methods such as PayPal and other supported gateways. Follow the setup instructions and enter the required business information. Once approved, you'll be able to securely accept customer payments. Next, let's set up shipping. Go to Settings and click Shipping and Delivery. Here, you'll create shipping rates and delivery rules for your customers. You can choose flat rate shipping, free shipping, local delivery options, or carrier calculated rates depending on your business model. Take a few minutes to review these settings carefully so customers receive accurate shipping costs during checkout. A custom domain helps your store look more professional and trustworthy. Click Settings and then select Domains. You'll have the option to purchase a new domain through Shopify or connect a domain you already own. After connecting your domain, customers will be able to visit your store using your branded website address instead of the default Shopify URL. One of the biggest advantages of this Shopify promotion is that it gives you time to build and test your business while keeping costs extremely low. Instead of paying full price immediately, eligible new users can start for free and then continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. This allows you to build your website, add products, configure payments, set up shipping, test marketing campaigns, learn the Shopify platform, all before moving to Shopify's standard subscription pricing. It's an excellent opportunity for beginners who want to launch an online store with minimal upfront investment. And that's how to claim the Shopify free trial and set up your Shopify store step by step. As a reminder, you can start for free and then enjoy Shopify for just $1 per month for your first 3 months on eligible plans through this special offer. If you'd like to get started, check out the Shopify free trial link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, e-commerce tips, and online business guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.